If your cabinets, shelves, or tiles never line up perfectly, chances are you're wasting hours fixing alignment mistakes. And on real construction projects, mistakes don't just waste time, they cost money. Many contractors still rely on manual leveling tools, measuring again and again, hoping everything stays straight. But today, we're testing a laser level trusted by professionals worldwide. And the real question is, does this tool actually make work faster and more accurate, or is it just another expensive gadget? In this video, we'll test performance, accuracy, battery life, range, real job site usability, and finally decide whether this tool deserves a place in your toolbox. So stay with me till the end because real job site results may surprise you.
Welcome back to AI buildPro Insights. On this channel, we review construction tools and professional equipment so builders and contractors can make smarter decisions. Today, we're reviewing the Bosch GLL 55 laser level. This tool is mainly designed for indoor tasks such as cabinet installation, tile alignment, drywall framing, shelf mounting, and electrical layout. It's compact, widely used, and recommended by many contractors. But popularity alone doesn't mean perfection, so let's test whether it still holds up in real-world construction work.
Right out of the box, the tool feels solid and professional. The body is compact, making it easy to carry around job sites. Rubber protection around the housing helps absorb small impacts and accidental drops. And let's be honest, tools fall on job sites all the time. The control buttons are simple and easy to operate. No confusing menus, just switch it on and start working. The mounting thread allows easy attachment to tripods or mounting brackets. Overall, the design is practical and job site friendly. Performance is where laser levels prove their value. Once powered on, the tool quickly self-levels within seconds. If placed on an uneven surface, the laser blinks to warn you. This prevents layout mistakes. The horizontal and vertical lines appear sharp and clear indoors. In real testing, cabinet alignment and wall layout becomes significantly faster. Accuracy stays within professional working tolerance. For most indoor construction tasks, precision is more than enough. In real construction scenarios, this tool saves time daily. Cabinets align faster, shelves become perfectly level, tiles stay straight, lighting fixtures install correctly. Instead of measuring repeatedly, you set the laser once and work confidently. Less correction work means faster project completion, and faster completion means higher productivity and profit. This is where laser levels become essential tools. The unit runs on standard AA batteries, which are available everywhere. Contractors typically get around 10 to 12 hours of use depending on working conditions. For daily use, rechargeable batteries are a smart investment. Battery replacement takes only seconds, keeping work uninterrupted. No complicated charging systems, simple and reliable operation. Indoors, the working range comfortably covers most residential spaces. Rooms, hallways, and office interiors are easily handled. In larger open spaces, visibility decreases slightly but remains usable. Outdoor performance is limited unless a laser receiver is used, but realistically, this tool is mainly designed for indoor work. And for that purpose,
This tool is ideal for contractors, carpenters, electricians, remodelers, and DIY users who frequently perform alignment tasks. If your projects involve cabinets, tiles, drywall, or installations, this tool saves time daily. Considering durability, accuracy, and ease of use, it offers solid value for money. It may not be the newest laser technology, but reliability matters more than flashy features. So here's the final verdict. This laser level remains a dependable option for indoor construction work. It's accurate, easy to use, and durable enough for professional environments. We rate it 4.5 out of 5 for value and performance. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to AI buildPro Insights. And comment below which construction tool you'd like to see reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next project.